How to repost Instagram stories you're not tagged in. So, the first step is by going to your Instagram app, and then the only way to repost an Instagram story that you are not tagged in is by screenshotting the post or the story. Or you may also chat that person or user to tag you in that story. So, for example, I have a story here by Jenny. So I'll just open it. And then, as you can see, I am not tagged with this story. So, what I'm going to do is to screenshot this story. So I'll just screenshot this one. For iPhone users, you may tap in your volume up button together with your power button to screenshot this post or story. And now, once you have done that, you may now open your camera or your stories by swiping right, like this one, and then choose the screenshot that you have done a while ago. And then you may zoom out like this one or like this one and add this one to your story. So that's it. That's how you can repost Instagram stories you're not tagged in. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.